Hello, this is Mark here from MoreBikes, bringing you another unboxing video, and today we are going to be unboxing this beautiful brand new 60S motorcycle mesh communication system from Sena. Now this is a dual system. We have two single systems that we are going to be giving away in a competition coming up very, very soon. So keep watching the videos, keep looking at social media and watching out for how you can win these. Also, watch out for two more videos, one where we're going to be fitting the system to a helmet, and the second one where we're going to be out and about testing how the systems work. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Straight away we can see Sena's sleek branding. It's highlighting the 60S here, being a motorcycle mesh communication system. And underneath here it tells us that we've got sound by Cardo. All in all, a very sleek box. Right, let's get it over. So what's in the box? Move that out of the way. Firstly, we've got the usual disclaimers and instructions. Put those to one side. So let's see what's actually in the box. We've discarded the instructions and the usual disclaimers that you get in several different languages, and we've got a couple of items here. So firstly, in the box you can see the actual Sena unit itself, the 60S in all its glory. Attached to the 60S Sena we have the boom microphone, and underneath here we have the speaker set. This is wired, and the Cardo speaker set. Let's take a look what's in this little package here. Let's install it. Okay, that's empty. So we have the Velcro and mounting pads. These are if you want to get the speakers a little bit closer to your ears inside the lid. We have the clamp kit and adhesive mounts, USB-C charging cable, the wired microphone if you wished to use that, another boom for fitting inside the helmet if you wish to use it that way, and this bit of kit here with an extra jack if you wanted to use your own headphones, although why you would is beyond me because Cardo are a very good brand. So let's fish the actual unit out of the box. So here's the actual unit, nice little dial on there as you can see. As I mentioned before, we've got the wired boom mic on here. Now this here is actually clear and it looks like some sort of fascia, so we'll examine that in a minute, but nice quality and very light. But I don't think that's all, because underneath here there seems to be some more stuff, so let's take a look. We'll start on the right hand side and work across to the left, so let's whip out the first one. That's pretty cool actually. If you're into your aesthetics, we have three different dial covers here and three different fascias. There's already a clear one on the unit itself, but we've got white, we've got silver and we've got black, and corresponding dial colours on here as well, so interchangeable. The other two are actually joined together. We've got the helmet mounting unit itself here and another set of speakers. That's interesting because I've already seen one set of speakers, so it'll be great when we come to video 2 to go through all the fitting of this and see what the differences are between all this stuff. It's quite exciting. There was one more little box that I missed, which is this here, and it's got a plethora of boom mic covers in here, lots of sponges, and we've got various 3M sort of material backed sticky mounts here. 3M is the company that does the adhesive, and all sorts of little bits and bobs in here, so a very useful accessory kit box. So let's break down one of the Sena 60S's most powerful features, the mesh intercom system. So firstly you've got open mesh. Now think of that as like a public channel. So as soon as you turn it on, you're instantly connected with other riders nearby who are also using the open mesh system. With open mesh, no pairing is needed. It's great for spontaneous meetups, group ride outs and that kind of thing. If the channel gets too crowded, you've got another 9 to choose from. Next up we've got group mesh. Now that gives you more control. Basically create a private group with up to 24 riders, and only those that you invite can join the chat. It's perfect for if you have a usual group that you go out with. Group Mesh is going to give you privacy and very clear communications. Both Open and Group Mesh run on Sena's 2.0 mesh technology. That gives you clearer audio, reliable connection, easy reconnection, automatic, so if any riders go out of range, as soon as they get back in range, they're back in. So whatever you're doing, riding solo, listening to your sat nav, taking a phone call, listening to music, riding in a group, riding with one partner, wanting to meet up with people at bike meets, Sena 60S has you covered. So, first impressions of this. Well, the build quality is really excellent. The buttons are very tactile. The clamping system seems to be going to be easy to fit. All in all, feels like a top quality unit. Now, the second video, we're going to actually be fitting this device to a helmet, so make sure you check back for that. And the third video of the series of 3, we're going to be out and about, probably me and Si, testing the actual unit itself over a range of distances and for clarity, etc. So make sure you check back for that as well. Also, finally, don't forget that we have got should I say two of these single systems to give away. So make sure you watch back on the social media to find out how you can win. And thanks very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you again on the next 2 videos.